Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a weekly spending for a week in, April? Oh my lord. Yes, my birthday week. Of course, we're going to be in our neutral Every Penny Counts dated budget planner. This planner is available in print form at Amazon and of course in digital form at perspectiveplans.com. You can use our code PLAN20 for 20% off. So without further ado, let's jump into the plans. So of course, this year I feel like I'm growing up because I didn't do a whole lot of crazy spending for my birthday, which I'm grateful for. But yeah. So I'm very proud of myself. I feel like I'm maturing, you guys. Oh, let me read the quote. The art is not in making money, but in keeping it. Proverb, which is perfect for my birthday week because I didn't do a whole lot of unnecessary spending. I still have my birthday wish list, of course, but these are just things I'm going to use or /buy throughout the year, if that makes sense. I figured I'd spread it out because I know I mentioned like the computer I wanted to get, but there's no reason I needed to get it for my birthday if it'll be cheaper during back to school season, if that makes sense. Yeah. But yeah, so Cox Wi-Fi, which is definitely a need, and that's just internet access so I can upload my amazing videos like this. And what else do we have? The 21st, oh my lord, my pen. And that was student loans. How dare they ask me to pay student loans on my birthday? The audacity. But yes, I paid that and that was $222.22. And then April 21st, I went into Macy's to buy the Chanel body oil, which is one of the new things that they have. It's in the Chance line, which is one of my absolute Chanel favorites. But yes, it was definitely a want. And I'm loving it. And I think I will likely buy another. But of course, hopefully they'll have it in like a Christmas packaging set or some sort of Christmas bundle, and I'll get it then as well. Because I don't want to just buy it again just because. And then of course, the 22nd, which is birthday. So I did a donation to the Arbor Day Foundation. $50. And I forgot how much I spent at Macy's, so I'll have to look that up on my receipt. April 23rd, State Farm. $287. And then Netflix. $7.72. And that was just want, of course, for subscriptions. And that's April 24th. Gas, and then Sam's groceries. And that's the 26th. So for my gas, I spent $16.51. And then $83.92 for groceries. So nothing crazy. And that was a need. Food, gas, and then State Farm insurance. All right, so I think I added everything. Oh, I need to add my Macy's. How much I spent at Macy's for that body oil? Let me see. Yeah, it's like $132. It's cheaper at Harrods. Oh dear. I didn't know that. I think I'm gonna return it and then buy it at Harrods then. Oh my lord. But it was like $132 retail. So, you know, with tax, it's probably like $140. But I'm gonna get it from Harrods then. I didn't even know it's cheaper there. Same size, 150 mil. But they have it for $120. Oh my lord. And I love it because Chance is my favorite fragrance from Chanel. I already have it in the body cream. But to find out it's cheaper at Harrods, I'm getting it. I didn't even know they had it at Harrods. I've never shopped at Harrods, so Macy's is my main department store. But I will definitely be grabbing this because I need it. So, return it is. All right, so let's go ahead and calculate. All right, let's see. So let's add this up. All right, so I spent $963.37 nasty cents. But you know, that's life. I definitely had worse birthdays where I spent a crazy amount of money. So I think this is okay. I think I'm all right with that number. I'm growing up, you guys. All right, total. Dear Lord, not me writing on my finger with a marker. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. So let's see what we can get to decorate our page. Dare, Dream, Do. And then we have Bold, Brave, Kind. Wild and Happy. I guess I'll use this one. There we go. So far, so good. Oh, I need to add my icons like I usually do. Let's see. And I know I have a payday next week, so can't use a payday sticker right now. So we had a shopping bag, so we'll add that there. Cops Wi-Fi. And then we have gas. And then Netflix. State Farm, so we have car insurance. So I'll grab the umbrella. And then Arbor Day, student loan, and Arbor Day. But it's unfortunate we don't have like a donation sticker. So a grad cap, and then I guess, what is a piggy bank? Why the heck not? I'm not seeing anything I want to use in here. So I think we're done. But thank you so much for planning with me today. And remember to keep planning for what's to come. And I'll see you in the very, very next one. Have a great one. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.